Now 21st question. Two symmetrical dice are thrown. The probability of getting a sum of 6 points. So we know that shortcut formula table. By using the table, you can say within fraction of seconds. But here two symmetrical dice. What is n of s? 6 square. 6 square. That means 36. But what is the event here? E be the event of sum of points. Sum of 6 points. 6 points. So what is n of s? Sum of 6 points means here 1 comma 5. This sum is 6. Next 2 comma 3. Next 3 comma 3. Next 3 comma 3. No, this is wrong. 6 points, no? 6 points. 1 comma 5. 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4, not 2 comma 3. 3 comma 3. 4 comma 2. And finally 5 comma 1. Here observe that each ordered pair sum of the point is 6 or not. Total how many are there? 5. N of e. P of e. N of e by n of s. 5 by 36. This is the answer. Or otherwise, see the table, then we will observe that very easily. Sum of 6 points. Sum of 6 point means this is now. What is the answer? 5 by 36. Within fraction of seconds, we will say the answer easily. So which option correct, students? Second option correct. Next 22 question. Two uniform dice are marked 1 to 6 are thrown together. So that means two dice are rolled. What is n of s, students? 6 square. That value should be 36. The probability that the total score on them is either minimum or maximum. If two dice are rolled, minimum sum when it is possible 1 comma 1. Maximum sum when it is possible 6 comma 6. 1 plus 1, the sum is 2. 6 plus 6, the sum is 12. Minimum sum is 2, maximum sum is 12. Okay, now I'm writing directly answer because this is a very easy question. Required probability, minimum sum 1 comma 1, only one sample point. Maximum sum 6 comma 6 by total 36. What is the answer? 2 by 36. Which option correct, students? Third option. 2 by 36 means we can write 1 by 18 also. Okay, so finally which option correct? Third option. 23rd question. What they are given? Two uniform dice marked 1 to 6 are thrown together. That means n of s 6 square, that is equal to 36. What is the event here? The probability that the score on the two dice is at least 7. At least 7. E with the event that sum is at least 7. At least 7. At least means minimum 7. So we can take now some 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Maximum sum is 12 now. Okay. Now I am going to write required probability P of E, that is equal to probability of sum 7 plus probability of sum of points 8 and so on and so on. Probability of sum of what? 12 points. Sum 12. Okay, this is probability. Now write the answer. Sum of 7 points. Go to the shortcut method. Already we know the table. This is sum of 7 points means how much? 6 by 36. 8 points, 5 by 36. 9 points, 4 by 36. 10 points, 3 by 36. 2 by 36. 1 by 36. Students, are you understood? Right. By observing the table, we will get answer very easily. Sum of 7 means possible 6 points. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whole divided by n of s, that is 36. Numerator, calculate that. 6, uh, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 21 by 36. That is 3 sevens are 21, 3 12s are 36. So final answer is 7 by 12. If you know table, then you will get answer very easily. Otherwise, it will be take time. Yes or no? Right. Finally, second option correct. Two uniform dice marked 1 to 6 are thrown together. The probability that the sum is even. The sum is even. So here E be the event of the sum is even. So directly I am writing, students, required probability. Required probability P of E is equal to sum of the points is even. So that means tell me probability of sum of 2 points. Next, probability that sum of 4 points. Probability that sum 6. Probability of sum of 8 points. And probability of sum of 10 points. Probability of sum of 12 points. Sum of 2 points means what is answer? 1 by 36. 4 points means 1, 2, 3. 3 by 36. 6 means 5 by 36. 8 means 5 by 36. 10 means 3 by 36. Sum of points 12 means 1 by 36. So by observing the table, I am writing, students. Shortcut table already given now. Now whole divided by LCM is 36. Numerator, observe that 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So answer is 1 by 2. So the probability that sum of even is 1 by 2. Same like that. Sum of odds is 1 by 2 only. Finally, third option correct. Next question. Two dice are thrown. Two dice are thrown. The probability that the absolute difference of points on them is 4. For suppose difference means absolute difference means like this. This is absolute difference of points on them is 4. How many dice are rolled? 2 dice. N of s 6 square. What is the event? E be the event that absolute difference of points is 4. Tell me what are the events. So I am going to write 1 comma 5. 1 minus 5 modulus 4 or not. Next 2 comma 6. Okay. Next 6 comma 2. Next 5 comma 1. N of E, how many possible? Only 4. Only 4. Now required probability P of E. What is the formula? N of E by N of S. N of S means 36, 6 square. So what is answer? By observing the options. Third option, correct. Students, are you understood the condition? 3 symmetrical dice are thrown. The probability of having different points on them is different points. First, see here, N of S. How many dice are rolled? 3 dice. That is 6 cube. What is the event, students, here? E with the event, different points on them. The probability of having different points. That means this is first die. This is second die. Uppermost value I am drawing. Okay. Here, for suppose you got 1 point. Next die 2 points. Next die 4 points. Like this. Different points. For suppose first die you got 1. Second die you got 1. Third die you got 2 points. This condition not exist. 3 dice having different points. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, not possible. All dice getting same number. This is also not possible. Follow this case. Okay. Now N of E. In each die, how many points are there? There are 6 points. Now I am going to select the first die. In first die, there are 6 points. Out of 6 points can be selected 1 point. That point should be 1. These number 1 cannot be get in second and third. Okay. So in second die also there are 6 points, but cannot be select 1. Except 1 means remaining how many points are there? 5. Out of 5 can be select 1. That selected point, for suppose I am taken 2. In third die, we can't select 1 and 2. Except 1 and 2, what are the sample points? 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of these 4 points can be select 1. Are you understood, students? On the first die, there are 6 points. Select any one of the point. Second die, whatever we are getting first die, those number can be neglected. Remaining, observe that. Okay. And third die, whatever we are getting first die and second die, those numbers can be neglected. Remaining numbers, observe that. Out of that, select 1. Now 6C1, 6 into 5. 5C1 means 5. 4C1 means 4. Required probability P of E. N of E by N of S now. 6, 5, 4 divided by 6 cube. 6 cube means I am writing 6 into 6 into 6. 6, 6 cancel. 2, 2 sir. 2, 3 sir. 2, 3 sir. And what is the answer? Here 2, 3 sir, 6. 5 by 9. 5 by 9. Which option correct, students? Third option correct. A and B throw with 3 dice. If A throws sum of 16 points, the probability of B throwing a higher sum. Here we need to find probability of B only. Okay. Now, probability of B is equal to what they are asking here. B throwing higher sum. A sum is 16. Then B sum what? Either 17 or 18. So no. 3 dice are rolled means minimum sum is 3. Maximum sum is 18. Minimum means 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 3. Maximum means 6 plus 6 plus 6. 18. Okay. A throws a sum 16 points. But the probability of B throwing higher sum more than 16. More than 16 means 17 and 18 only now. Probability of sum 17 points plus probability of sum 18 points. Already we know the shortcut table. When we are dice rolled 3 times. See here. Sum 17 means 3 by 6 cube. Sum 18 means 1 by 6 cube. Directly you can write. So what is the answer, students? Probability of sum 17 points, that is 3 by 6 cube. Sum 18, 1 by 6 cube. Totally 4 by 6 cube means 6 into 6 into 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 3s are. Overall calculation 1 by 54. Required probabilities 1 by 54. Third option correct.